قال فما خطبكم أيها المرسلون.
He, i.e. Ibrahim, said, "What is your objective, O you, i.e. angels who have been sent?"
قالوا إنا أرسلنا إلى قوم مجرمين.
They said, "Indeed, we have been sent to a transgressing nation,
لنرسل عليهم حجارة من طين
that we may send down stones of clay upon them,
مسومة عند ربك للمسرفين.
marked in the court of your Lord for the transgressors.
فأخرجنا من كان فيها من المؤمنين.
So we took out those who were believers therein,
فما وجدنا فيها غير بيت من المسلمين.
so we found therein only one house of believers.
وتركنا فيها آية للذين يخافون العذاب الأليم.
And we left a sign therein for those who fear painful punishment.
وفي موسى إذ أرسلناه إلى فرعون بسلطان مبين.
And a sign in Musa when we sent him to Pharaoh with clear proof.
فتولى بركنه وقال ساحر أو مجنون.
So he, Pharaoh, turned away with his army and said, "He is a sorcerer or a madman."
فأخذناه وجنوده فنبذناهم في اليم وهو مليم.
So we seized him and his army and cast them into the river while he was blaming himself.
وفي عاد إذ أرسلنا عليهم الريح العقيم.
And in Ad there is also a sign when we sent a destructive wind upon them.
ما تذر من شيء أتت عليه إلا جعلته كالرميم.
It did not leave anything it passed over except that it caused it to become like something decayed.
وفي ثمود إذ قيل لهم تمتعوا حتى حين.
And in Thamud there is a sign when it was said to them, "Enjoy until a certain time."
فعتوا عن أمر ربهم فأخذتهم الصاعقة وهم ينظرون.
So they rebelled against the command of their Lord. So a thunderbolt seized them while they were watching.
فما استطاعوا من قيام وما كانوا منتصرين.
So they were not able to stand, and they could not retaliate.
وقوم نوح من قبل إنهم كانوا قوما فاسقين.
And the nation of Nuh were destroyed before them, for indeed they were a transgressing nation.
والسماء بنيناها بأيد وإنا لموسعون.
As for the sky, we made it with our power, and indeed we are expanding it.
والأرض فرشناها فنعم الماهدون.
We spread the earth out, and how excellently we spread it.
ومن كل شيء خلقنا زوجين لعلكم تذكرون.
And we created a pair for all things, so that you may be mindful.
ففروا إلى الله إني لكم منه نذير مبين.
So, say, dear beloved Prophet, flee to Allah. Certainly I am a clear warner for you from Him.
ولا تجعلوا مع الله إلها آخر إني لكم منه نذير مبين.
And do not make another God alongside Allah. Indeed, I am a clear warner for you from Him.
كذلك ما أتى الذين من قبلهم من رسول إلا قالوا ساحر أو مجنون.
There did not come a messenger to those who preceded them, except that they said, He is a sorcerer or a madman.
أتواصوا به بل هم قوم طاغون.
Did they instruct one another with this? Rather, they are a rebellious nation.
فتول عنهم فما أنت بملوم.
So, dear beloved Prophet, turn away from them. You are not blameworthy.
وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
And advise, as advising benefits the people of faith.
وما خلقت الجن والإنس إلا ليعبدون.
And I did not create jinn and mankind but to worship me.
ما أريد منهم من رزق وما أريد أن يطعمون.
I do not want sustenance from them, nor do I want them to give me food.
إن الله هو الرزاق ذو القوة المتين.
Indeed, Allah is the great provider, the possessor of infinite power, the omnipotent.
فإن للذين ظلموا ذنوبا مثل ذنوب أصحابهم فلا يستعجلون.
For the wrongdoers, there is a share of punishment like that of their predecessors, so they should not hastily seek punishment from me.
فويل للذين كفروا من يومهم الذي يوعدون.
So woe to the disbelievers from their day which they are warned of. Surah Al-Tur, Mount Sinai. This surah is Meccan, containing 2 sections and 49 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
والطور.
By Mount Sinai, Al-Tur.
وكتاب مسطور.
By the inscribed book.
في رق منشور.
In open scrolls.
والبيت المعمور.
By the inhabited house, Al-Bayt al-Ma'mur.
والسقف المرفوع.
By the elevated roof.
والبحر المسجور.
By the burning sea.
إن عذاب ربك لواقع.
The punishment of your Lord will certainly come to pass.
ما له من دافع.
None can avert it.
يوم تمور السماء مورا.
The day the sky will spin rapidly.
وتسير الجبال سيرا.
And the mountains will move at speed.
فويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
So woe to the liars on that day.
الذين هم في خوض يلعبون.
Those who are playing in falsehood.
يوم يدعون إلى نار جهنم دعا.
The day they will be thrust forcefully towards the fire of hell.
هذه النار التي كنتم بها تكذبون
This is the fire which you were denying.
أفسحر هذا أم أنتم لا تبصرون
So is this sorcery, or do you not see?
اصلوها فاصبروا أو لا تصبروا سواء عليكم إنما تجزون ما كنتم تعملون
Enter it. So whether you are patient or not patient, it is the same for you. You are only being recompensed for what you used to do.
إن المتقين في جنات ونعيم
Indeed, the pious will be in gardens and blessings,
فاكهين بما آتاهم ربهم ووقاهم ربهم عذاب الجحيم
rejoicing in what their Lord granted them, and their Lord saved them from the punishment of the fire.
كلوا واشربوا هنيئا بما كنتم تعملون
Eat and drink joyfully as recompense for what you used to do,
متكئين على سرر مصفوفة وزوجناهم بحور عين
reclining upon thrones aligned, and we have married them to fair maidens with large beautiful eyes.
والذين آمنوا واتبعتهم ذريتهم بإيمان ألحقنا بهم ذريتهم وما ألتناهم من عملهم من شيء كل امرئ بما كسب رهين
As for those who believed and their progeny followed them in faith, we have caused their progeny to join them, and we did not decrease anything from their deeds. Every person bears the burden of only what they reaped.
وأمددناهم بفاكهة ولحم مما يشتهون
And we will help them with fruit and meat from whatever they will desire.
يتنازعون فيها كأسا لا لغو فيها ولا تأثيم
They will take cups of heavenly wine from each other therein, which will neither have indecency nor sin in them.
ويطوف عليهم غلمان لهم كأنهم لؤلؤ مكنون
And their servant youths will move around them as if they are hidden pearls.
وأقبل بعضهم على بعض يتساءلون
And some of them will face others, questioning one another.
قالوا إنا كنا قبل في أهلنا مشفقين
They will say, Indeed, we were afraid amongst our family before this.
فمن الله علينا ووقانا عذاب السموم
So Allah bestowed favour upon us, and He saved us from the punishment of the scorching wind.
إنا كنا من قبل ندعوه إنه هو البر الرحيم
Surely we used to worship Him before this. He is the supreme benefactor, the most merciful.
فذكر فذكر فما أنت بنعمة ربك بكاهن ولا مجنون.
So, dear beloved Prophet, advise, with the blessing of your Lord, you are neither a sorcerer nor a madman.
أم يقولون شاعر نتربص به ريب المنون.
Rather they say, he is a poet, we are waiting for his change of fortune.
قل تربصوا فإني معكم من المتربصين.
Say, wait, I am waiting with you too.
أم تأمرهم أحلامهم بهذا أم هم قوم طاغون.
Do their intellects command them to do this, or are they a rebellious nation?
أم يقولون تقوله بل لا يؤمنون.
Or they say, he has invented it. In fact, they do not believe.
فليأتوا بحديث مثله إن كانوا صادقين.
So let them bring forth a statement like it if they are truthful.
أم خلقوا من غير شيء أم هم الخالقون.
Were they created from nothing, or are they creators?
أم خلقوا السماوات والأرض بل لا يوقنون.
Or have they created the heavens and the earth? In fact, they are not certain.
أم عندهم خزائن ربك أم هم المسيطرون.
Or do they have the treasures of your Lord, or are they supreme rulers?
أم لهم سلم يستمعون فيه فليأت مستمعهم بسلطان مبين.
Or do they possess a ladder by means of which they listen to the angels? Then let a listener among them bring forth a clear proof.
أم له البنات ولكم البنون.
Does he have daughters while you have sons?
أم تسألهم أجرا فهم من مغرم مثقلون.
Or do you seek payment from them, so they are burdened by debt?
أم عندهم الغيب فهم يكتبون.
Or do they possess knowledge of the unseen, so they write judgments?
أم يريدون كيدا فالذين كفروا هم المكيدون.
Or do they intend deception, so those who disbelieve will fall prey to their very own deception?
أم لهم إله غير الله سبحان الله عما يشركون.
Or do they have another God other than Allah? Allah is pure from their polytheism.
وإن يروا كسفا من السماء ساقطا يقولوا سحاب مركوم.
And were they to see a part of the sky falling, they would say, these are accumulated clouds.
فذرهم حتى يلاقوا يومهم الذي فيه يصعقون.
So leave them until they face their day in which they will become unconscious.
يوم لا يغني عنهم كيدهم شيئا ولا هم ينصرون.
The day when their deception will not avail them in any way, and they will not be helped.
وإن للذين ظلموا عذابا دون ذلك ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
And indeed, for those who are oppressed, there is a punishment before that. However, most of them do not know.
واصبر لحكم ربك فإنك بأعيننا وسبح بحمد ربك حين تقوم.
Dear beloved Prophet, remain firm on the command of your Lord, for indeed you are under our care. Glorify your Lord with his praise when you stand in worship.
ومن الليل فسبحه وإدبار النجوم.
And glorify him in parts of the night and after the setting of the stars. Surah Al-Najm, the star. This surah is Meccan, containing 3 sections and 62 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
وَالنَّجْمِ إِذَا هَوَى.
By the star when it descends.
مَا ضَلَّ صَاحِبُكُمْ وَمَا غَوَى.
Your companion has neither strayed nor erred.
وَمَا يَنطِقُ عَنِ الْهَوَى.
And he does not speak from his desire.
إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا وَحْيٌ يُوحَى.
It is but divine revelation revealed to him.
عَلَّمَهُ شَدِيدُ الْقُوَى.
He was taught by the supremely powerful.
ذُو مِرَّةٍ فَاسْتَوَى.
Possessor of might, then he intended.
وَهُوَ بِالْأُفُقِ الْأَعْلَى.
While he was at the highest peak of the heavens.
ثُمَّ دَنَا فَتَدَلَّى.
Then the vision drew closer and then even closer.
فَكَانَ قَابَ قَوْسَيْنِ أَوْ أَدْنَى.
So he was 2 bow lengths away, rather nearer than that.
فَأَوْحَى إِلَى عَبْدِهِ مَا أَوْحَى.
So he revealed to his chosen one what he revealed.
مَا كَذَبَ الْفُؤَادُ مَا رَأَى.
The heart did not deny what it, i.e., the eye saw.
أَفَتُمَارُونَهُ عَلَى مَا يَرَى.
So do you dispute with him concerning what he saw?
وَلَقَدْ رَآهُ نَزْلَةً أُخْرَى.
And indeed he saw that vision a second time.
عِندَ سِدْرَةِ الْمُنْتَهَى.
At the lote tree of the furthest boundary, Sidratul Muntaha.
عِندَهَا جَنَّةُ الْمَأْوَى.
The paradise of eternal residence, Jannatul Ma'wa, is near it.
إِذْ يَغْشَى السِّدْرَةَ مَا يَغْشَى.
When the lote tree was covered by that which covered.
مَا زَاغَ الْبَصَرُ وَمَا طَغَى.
The eye did not waver nor did it exceed the limit.
لَقَدْ رَأَى مِنْ آيَاتِ رَبِّهِ الْكُبْرَى.
Indeed, he saw many of the greatest signs of his Lord.
أَفَرَأَيْتُمُ اللَّاتَ وَالْعُزَّى.
So, O people, did you see Al-Lat and Al-Uzza?
وَمَنَاةَ الثَّالِثَةَ الْأُخْرَى.
And another Manat, the third one?
أَلَكُمُ الذَّكَرُ وَلَهُ الْأُنْثَى.
Is there a son for you and a daughter for him?
تِلْكَ إِذًا قِسْمَةٌ ضِيزَى.
Then that is an unjust division.
إِنْ هِيَ إِلَّا أَسْمَاءٌ سَمَّيْتُمُوهَا أَنْتُمْ وَآبَاؤُكُمْ مَا أنزل الله بها من سلطان إن يتبعون إلا الظن وما تهوى الأنفس ولقد جاءهم من ربهم الهدى.
These are only names which you and your forefathers have named them. Allah has not sent down any endorsement for them. They are only adhering to uncertain conjecture and what they themselves desire, even though guidance has certainly come to them from their Lord.
أم للإنسان ما تمنى
Or will man have whatever he desires?
فلله الآخرة والأولى.
So Allah alone is the master of the hereafter and this world.
وكم من ملك في السماوات لا تغني شفاعتهم شيئا إلا من بعد أن يأذن الله لمن يشاء ويرضى.
And how many angels are there in the heavens whose intercession does not benefit at all, except after Allah grants permission for whomsoever He wills, and whomsoever He is pleased with.
إن الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة ليسمون الملائكة تسمية الأنثى.
Indeed, those who do not believe in the hereafter, they name the angels with female names.
وما لهم به من علم إن يتبعون إلا الظن وإن الظن لا يغني من الحق شيئا.
They have no knowledge to support this. They follow mere assumptions. And indeed, assumptions cannot replace truth.
فأعرض عمن تولى عن ذكرنا ولم يرد إلا الحياة الدنيا.
So turn away from the one who turned away from our remembrance and only desired the life of this world.
ذلك مبلغهم من العلم إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بمن اهتدى.
This is the extent of their knowledge. Indeed, your Lord is fully aware of the one who strayed from his path, and he is fully aware of the one who attained guidance.
ولله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض ليجزي الذين أساءوا بما عملوا ويجزي الذين أحسنوا بالحسنى.
And to Allah belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth, that He may recompense those who do evil for what they did, and He may recompense those who perform righteous deeds with the most beautiful reward, i.e. paradise.
الذين يجتنبون كبائر الإثم والفواحش إلا اللمم إن ربك واسع المغفرة هو أعلم بكم إذ أنشأكم من الأرض وإذ أنتم أجنة في بطون أمهاتكم فلا تزكوا أنفسكم هو أعلم بمن اتقى.
And those who refrain from major sins and indecencies accept the approach to sin. Indeed, the forgiveness of your Lord is vast. He knows you full well when He created you from the earth, and when you were fetuses in your mother's wombs. So do not declare purity for yourselves. He is fully aware of the one who adopted piety.
أفرأيت الذي تولى
So did you see the one who turned away?
وأعطى قليلا وأكدى
And he gave little and withheld?
أعنده علم الغيب فهو يرى
Does he have knowledge of the unseen that he sees?
أم لم ينبأ بما في صحف موسى
Or was he not informed of that which is in the scriptures of Musa
وإبراهيم الذي وفى
and Ibrahim who fulfilled all obligations?
ألا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى
And that no bearer of burdens will bear the burden of another.
وأن ليس للإنسان إلا ما سعى
Or that for man there is only that for which he strives.
وأن سعيه سوف يرى
And his endeavour will soon be seen.
ثم يجزاه الجزاء الأوفى
Then he will be granted a full reward.
وأن إلى ربك المنتهى
And that the ultimate return is to your Lord.
وأنه هو أضحك وأبكى
Moreover, that it is he who caused one to laugh and cry.
وأنه هو أمات وأحيا
It is he who caused death and gave life.
وأنه خلق الزوجين الذكر والأنثى
And that it is he who created pairs male and female.
من نطفة إذا تمنى
From a seminal droplet when it is discharged inside.
وأن عليه النشأة الأخرى
And that bringing to life again is upon him.
وأنه هو أغنى وأقنى
And that it is he who enriched and granted contentment.
وأنه هو رب الشعرى
It is he who is the Lord of Sirius.
وأنه أهلك عادا الأولى
And it is he who destroyed the earlier nations of Ad.
وثمود فما أبقى
And Thamud, not sparing anyone.
وقوم نوح من قبل إنهم كانوا هم أظلم وأطغى
He obliterated the nation of Nuh before them. Indeed, they were more oppressive and rebellious.
والمؤتفكة أهوى
And he cast down the overturned villages.
فغشاها ما غشا
So that which covered them then covered them.
فبأي آلاء ربك تتمارى
So which favours of your Lord will you doubt?
هذا نذير من النذر الأولى
This prophet is a warner among the previous warners.
أزفت الآزفة
That which draws near, resurrection drew near.
ليس لها من دون الله كاشفة
None other than Allah can disclose it.
أفمن هذا الحديث تعجبون
So do you find this statement strange?
وتضحكون ولا تبكون
And you laugh and you do not cry?
وأنتم سامدون
And you are heedless.
فاسجدوا لله واعبدوا
So prostrate to Allah and worship Him. Surah Al-Qamar, the moon. This surah is Meccan, containing 3 sections and 55 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
اقتربت الساعة وانشق القمر.
The hour drew near and the moon was split.
وإن يروا آية يعرضوا ويقولوا سحر مستمر.
And if they see a sign, they turn away and they say, "This is lasting sorcery."
وكذبوا واتبعوا أهواءهم وكل أمر مستقر.
And they denied and they followed their desires, and every matter has been established.
ولقد جاءهم من الأنباء ما فيه مزدجر.
And indeed, accounts have come to them in which there is admonition.
حكمة بالغة فما تغني النذر.
This Quran is complete wisdom, yet warnings do not benefit them.
فتول عنهم يوم يدعو الداع إلى شيء نكر.
So turn away from them. The day a caller will call towards a severe unknowing thing.
خش عن أبصارهم يخرجون من الأجداث كأنهم جراد منتشر.
So with their downcast eyes they will come forth from their graves like they are scattered locusts.
مهطعين إلى الداع يقول الكافرون هذا يوم عسير.
Hastening towards the caller, the disbelievers will say, "This is a severe day."
كذبت قبلهم قوم نوح فكذبوا عبدنا وقالوا مجنون وازدجر.
The nation of Nuh denied before them, so they denied our chosen one and said, "He is insane," and he, i.e. Nuh, was scolded by them.
فدعا ربه أني مغلوب فانتصر.
So he prayed to his Lord, "Indeed I am overwhelmed, so avenge me."
ففتحنا أبواب السماء بماء منهمر.
So we opened the doors of the sky with a torrential downpour.
وفجرنا الأرض عيونا فالتقى الماء على أمر قد قدر.
And we transformed the earth into overflowing springs, so the water reached the amount which had been predestined.
وحملناه على ذات ألواح ودسر.
And we carried him upon a thing made of planks and nails, the ark,
تجري بأعيننا جزاء لمن كان كفر.
floating before our sight as reward for the one who was denied.
ولقد تركناها آية فهل من مدكر.
And we left it as a sign. So is there anyone who may attain advice?
فكيف كان عذابي ونذر.
So how was my punishment and my warnings?
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
And indeed we have made the Quran easy to remember or for advice. So is there any memorizer, i.e., or one who would attain advice?
كذبت عاد فكيف كان عذابي ونذر.
Ad denied. So how was my punishment and my warnings?
إنا أرسلنا عليهم ريحا صرصرا في يوم نحس مستمر.
Indeed, we sent upon them a severe wind on a day of lasting misfortune.
تنزع الناس كأنهم أعجاز نخل منقعر.
It hurled the people as if they were dry trunks of uprooted date palms.
فكيف كان عذابي ونذر.
So how was my punishment and my warnings?
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
And indeed we have made the Quran easy to remember or for advice. So is there any memorizer or one who would attain advice?
كذبت ثمود بالنذر.
Thamud denied the warners, i.e. messengers.
فقالوا أبشرا منا واحدا نتبعه إنا إذا لفي ضلال وسعر.
So they said, shall we follow one man from among us? Indeed, we would then fall into misguidance and insanity.
أألقي الذكر عليه من بيننا بل هو كذاب أشر.
Was divine revelation only bestowed upon him from among us? Rather, he is a conceited liar.
سيعلمون غدا من الكذاب الأشر.
Tomorrow they will come to know who the conceited liar is.
إنا مرسل الناقة فتنة لهم فارتقبهم واصطبر.
We are sending the she-camel as a trial for them, so wait for them and be patient.
ونبئهم أن الماء قسمة بينهم كل شرب محتضر.
And inform them that the water is divided between them. Every drinking is attended in turn.
فنادوا صاحبهم فتعاطى فعقر.
So they called their companion. Then he seized the she-camel and hamstrung her.
فكيف كان عذابي ونذر.
So how was my punishment and my warnings?
إنا أرسلنا عليهم صيحة واحدة فكانوا كهشيم المحتضر.
We sent a single piercing cry upon them, so they became like the leftover trampled, dry straw of one who makes an enclosure.
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
And surely we have made the Quran easy to remember, or for advice. So is there any memorizer, or one who would attain advice?
كذبت قوم لوط بالنذر.
The nation of Lut denied the warners.
إنا أرسلنا عليهم حاصبا إلا آل لوط نجيناهم بسحر.
Indeed, we sent a storm of stones upon them except the family of Lut. We saved them in the final part of the night.
نعمة من عندنا كذلك نجزي من شكر.
As a blessing from us, thus we recompense the grateful.
ولقد أنذرهم بطشتنا فتماروا بالنذر.
And indeed he warned them of our seizing, then they doubted the warnings.
ولقد راودوه عن ضيفه فطمسنا أعينهم فذوقوا عذابي ونذر.
They wanted to lure him away from his guests, So we obliterated their eyes and said, Taste my punishment and my warnings.
ولقد صبحهم بكرة عذاب مستقر.
And indeed the lasting punishment came to them early in the morning.
فذوقوا عذابي ونذر.
So taste my punishment and my warnings.
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
We made the Quran easy to remember. So is there anyone to memorize it?
ولقد جاء آل فرعون النذر.
And indeed warners, i.e. messengers, came to the people of Pharaoh.
كذبوا بآياتنا كلها فأخذناهم أخذ عزيز مقتدر.
But they denied all our signs. So we seized them with a powerful grip of the one most exalted, most powerful.
أكفاركم خير من أولئكم أم لكم براءة في الزبر.
O people of Makkah, are your disbelievers better than those others? Or is there salvation for you in the scriptures?
أم يقولون نحن جميع منتصر.
Or they say, we shall all take revenge.
سيهزم الجمع ويولون الدبر.
Soon all will be repelled and they will turn their backs.
بل الساعة موعدهم والساعة أدهى وأمر.
Rather, the hour is their promise, and the hour is most severe and most bitter.
إن المجرمين في ضلال وسعر.
Certainly the wrongdoers are in misguidance and insanity.
يوم يسحبون في النار على وجوههم ذوقوا مس سقر.
The day they will be dragged upon their faces in the fire. Taste the touch of hell.
إنا كل شيء خلقناه بقدر.
We indeed have created everything with specific measure.
وما أمرنا إلا واحدة كلمح بالبصر.
And our decree is but one, like the blinking of an eye.
ولقد أهلكنا أشياعكم فهل من مدكر.
Surely we have destroyed many groups like you. So is there anyone who may attain advice?
وكل شيء فعلوه في الزبر.
Everything they did is in the books.
وكل صغير وكبير مستطر.
And every small and great deed is recorded.
إن المتقين في جنات ونهر.
The pious will be amid gardens and rivers.
في مقعد صدق عند مليك مقتدر.
In a gathering of honor, in the presence of the most powerful king. Surah Ar-Rahman, the infinitely gracious. This surah is Meccan, containing 3 sections and 78 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
الرحمن.
The infinitely gracious.
علم القرآن.
He taught the Quran.
خلق الإنسان.
Created man.
علمه البيان.
And taught him articulation.
الشمس والقمر بحسبان.
The sun and the moon have specific orbits.
والنجم والشجر يسجدان.
The plants and the trees prostrate.
والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان
He raised the sky and set the scales,
ألا تطغوا في الميزان
so do not transgress in weighing.
وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان
Rather weigh accurately and do not give short measure.
والأرض وضعها للأنام
And he has established the earth for the creation.
فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام
There are fruits therein and date palms with encased clusters,
والحب ذو العصف والريحان
and grain upon stalks and fragrant flowers.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, O jinn and mankind, which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار
He created man from reverberating dry clay like ceramic,
وخلق الجان من مارج من نار
and he created the jinn from the pure flame of smokeless fire.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
رب المشرقين ورب المغربين
Lord of the two easts and the two wests.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
مرج البحرين يلتقيان
He caused two seas to flow, seemingly meeting.
بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان
There is a barrier between them. They cannot exceed one another.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
يخرج منهما اللؤلؤ والمرجان
Pearls and precious corals come forth from both.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
وله الجوار المنشآت في البحر كالأعلام
And to him belong the ships elevated in the sea like mountains.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
كل من عليها فان
All residing upon it will perish,
ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام
and only your Lord's being, possessing supremacy and honour, will remain.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
يسأله من في السماوات والأرض كل يوم هو في شأن
All in the heavens and the earth implore him. Every day he manifests a matter.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
سنفرغ لكم أيها الثقلان
Soon we shall take you to account, O jinn and mankind.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
يا معشر الجن والإنس إن استطعتم أن تنفذوا من أقطار السماوات والأرض فانفذوا لا تنفذون إلا بسلطان
O company of jinn and mankind, if you are able to go beyond the boundaries of the heavens and the earth, then go ahead. Wherever you will go, you will find His sovereignty.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران
A smokeless pure flame of fire and a flameless black smoke will be sent against you both, so you will not be able to help one another.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
فإذا انشقت السماء فكانت وردة كالدهان
So when the sky will split open, then it will become rose-coloured like red leather.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان
So on that day, neither man nor jinn will be questioned about his sin.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
يعرف المجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ بالنواصي والأقدام
The wrongdoers will be recognized by their faces, so they will be seized from the foreheads and the feet.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
هذه جهنم التي يكذب بها المجرمون
This is hell which the wrongdoers denied.
يطوفون بينها وبين حميم آن
They will make rounds between it and scalding hot water.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
ولمن خاف مقام ربه جنتان
And there are two paradises for the one who fears standing before his Lord.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
ذواتا أفنان
Possessing branches.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favors will you deny?
فيهما عينان تجريان
There are two springs flowing within each of them.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favors will you deny?
فيهما من كل فاكهة زوجان
There are two kinds of fruit within each of them.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favors will you deny?
متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق وجنى الجنتين دان
Reclining upon beds, the inner part of which are lined with silk brocade, and the fruits of both paradises will be within reach.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favors will you deny?
فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان
Therein are maidens who only look upon their husbands. They were not touched by any man or jinn before them.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favors will you deny?
كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان
As if they are rubies and precious corals.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favors will you deny?
هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان
Is the reward of virtue anything but virtue?
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favors will you deny?
ومن دونهما جنتان
And besides these two, there are two other heavens.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favors will you deny?
مدهامتان
Seemingly black due to extremely dark green trees.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favors will you deny?
فيهما عينان نضاختان
There are two gushing springs in both of them.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favors will you deny?
فيهما فاكهة ونخل ورمان
There are fruits and date palms and pomegranates in both of them.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favors will you deny?
فيهن خيرات حسان
There are courteous, beautiful maidens therein.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
حور مقصورات في الخيام
Veiled maidens in private pavilions.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان
They were not touched by any man or jinn before them, i.e., their husbands.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
متكئين على رفرف خضر وعبقري حسان
Reclining upon green cushions and beautiful carpets.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's favours will you deny?
تبارك اسم ربك ذي الجلال والإكرام
Blessed is the name of your Lord, possessor of greatness and majesty. Surah Al-Waqiyah, the imminent event. The surah is Meccan, containing 3 sections and 96 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
إذا وقعت الواقعة
When the imminent event will occur,
ليس لوقعتها كاذبة
there will be no scope for denial of its occurrence.
خافضة رافعة
Lowering some, elevating others.
إذا رجت الأرض رجا
When the earth will be shaken vigorously,
وبست الجبال بسا
and the mountains will be completely crushed into dust,
فكانت هباء منبثا
so they will become like scattered particles in the air.
وكنتم أزواجا ثلاثة
And you will become 3 groups.
فأصحاب الميمنة ما أصحاب الميمنة
So the people of the right, how excellent are the people of the right.
وأصحاب المشأمة ما أصحاب المشأمة
And the people of the left, how wretched are the people of the left.
والسابقون السابقون
And those who surpass are simply those who surpass.
أولئك المقربون
They are those who are granted nearness
في جنات النعيم
in the gardens of bounties.
ثلة من الأولين
A multitude from the earlier generations,
وقليل من الآخرين
and few from the later generations,
على سرر موضونة
upon studded thrones,
متكئين عليها متقابلين
reclining upon them facing one another.
يطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون
Immortal youth will move around them
بأكواب وأباريق وكأس من معين
with cups and pitchers and glasses filled from wine that flows before their eyes.
لا يصدعون عنها ولا ينزفون.
They will not suffer from a headache due to it, and they will not lose their senses.
وفاكهة مما يتخيرون.
And fruits from whatever they will choose.
ولحم طير مما يشتهون.
And the meat of birds from whatever they will desire.
وحور عين.
And fair maidens with large beautiful eyes.
كأمثال اللؤلؤ المكنون.
Like concealed pearls.
جزاء بما كانوا يعملون.
Recompense for what they used to do.
لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا تأثيما.
They will not hear any futile speech therein, and no sinful dialogue.
إلا قيلا سلاما سلاما.
Except the greeting of salam, salam.
وأصحاب اليمين ما أصحاب اليمين.
And the people of the right, how excellent are the people of the right.
في سدر مخضود.
Among thornless lote trees.
وطلح منضود.
And clusters of heavy laden banana trees.
وظل ممدود.
And everlasting shade.
وماء مسكوب.
And ever flowing water.
وفاكهة كثيرة.
And many fruits.
لا مقطوعة ولا ممنوعة.
Never ending nor prohibited.
وفرش مرفوعة.
And elevated cushions.
إنا أنشأناهن إنشاء.
Indeed, we have created them heavenly women in a special way.
فجعلناهن أبكارا.
So we made them virgins.
عربا أترابا.
Affectionate, of equal age.
لأصحاب اليمين.
For the people of the right.
ثلة من الأولين.
A multitude from the earlier generations.
وثلة من الآخرين.
And a multitude from the later generations.
وأصحاب الشمال ما أصحاب الشمال.
And the people of the left. How wretched are the people of the left.
في سموم وحميم.
In scorching winds and boiling water.
وظل من يحموم.
And in the shadow of intensely black smoke.
لا بارد ولا كريم.
Neither cool nor comfortable.
إنهم كانوا قبل ذلك مترفين.
Indeed, they were affluent before this.
وكانوا يصرون على الحنث العظيم.
Persevering with the major sin.
وكانوا يقولون أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمبعوثون.
And they used to say, when we have died and become dust and bones, will we then be resurrected?
أَوَآبَاؤُنَا الْأَوَّلُونَ
And our forefathers too?
قُلْ إِنَّ الْأَوَّلِينَ وَالْآخِرِينَ
Say, indeed the earlier and later generations
لَمَجْمُوعُونَ إِلَى مِيقَاتِ يَوْمٍ مَّعْلُومٍ
will certainly be gathered at an appointed time on a known day.
ثُمَّ إِنَّكُمْ أَيُّهَا الضَّالُّونَ الْمُكَذِّبُونَ
Then indeed you, O misguided people, deniers,
لَآكِلُونَ مِنْ شَجَرٍ مِّن زَقُّومٍ
you will eat from the tree of Zakkum,
فَمَالِئُونَ مِنْهَا الْبُطُونَ
so you will fill your bellies with it.
فَشَارِبُونَ عَلَيْهِ مِنَ الْحَمِيمِ
Then on top of that you will drink boiling water.
فَشَارِبُونَ شُرْبَ الْهِيمِ
So you will drink like thirsty camels.
هَذَا نُزُلُهُمْ يَوْمَ الدِّينِ
This is their hospitality on the day of judgment.
نَحْنُ خَلَقْنَاكُمْ فَلَوْلَا تُصَدِّقُونَ
We have created you, so why do you not accept the truth?
أَفَرَأَيْتُمْ مَا تُمْنُونَ
So do reveal that seminal fluid which you discharge.
أَأَنْتُمْ تَخْلُقُونَهُ أَمْ نَحْنُ الْخَالِقُونَ
So do you give it, i.e., human form, or do we create it?
نحن قدرنا بينكم الموت وما نحن بمسبوقين
We have decreed death among you, and we are not prevented
على أن نبدل أمثالكم وننشئكم فيما لا تعلمون
from this that we replace you with others like you, and we make you into that which you do not know.
وَلَقَدْ عَلِمْتُمُ النَّشْأَةَ الْأُولَى فَلَوْلَا تَذَكَّرُونَ
And you have certainly come to know of the first creation, so why do you not attain advice?
أَفَرَأَيْتُمْ مَا تَحْرُثُونَ
So do reveal whatever you sow.
أَأَنْتُمْ تَزْرَعُونَهُ أَمْ نَحْنُ الزَّارِعُونَ
Do you make it grow, or do we cause it to grow?
لَوْ نَشَاءُ لَجَعَلْنَاهُ حُطَامًا فَظَلْتُمْ تَفَكَّهُونَ
Had we willed, we would certainly have turned it into fragments of straw. Then you would remain speculating.
إِنَّا لَمُغْرَمُونَ
We have incurred a penalty.
بَلْ نَحْنُ مَحْرُومُونَ
Rather, we are deprived.
أَفَرَأَيْتُمُ الْمَاءَ الَّذِي تَشْرَبُونَ
So do reveal the water you drink.
أَأَنْتُمْ أَنزَلْتُمُوهُ مِنَ الْمُزْنِ أَمْ نَحْنُ الْمُنزِلُونَ
Did you send it down from the clouds, or do we send it down?
لَوْ نَشَاءُ جَعَلْنَاهُ أُجَاجًا فَلَوْلَا تَشْكُرُونَ
Had we willed, we would have made it unbearably salty. So why do you not show gratitude?
أَفَرَأَيْتُمُ النَّارَ الَّتِي تُورُونَ
So do reveal the fire which you kindle.
أأنتم أنشأتم شجرتها أم نحن المنشئون
Did you create its tree or do we create?
نحن جعلناها تذكرة ومتاعا للمقوين
We made it a reminder and a benefit for the travelers of the wilderness.
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم
So, dear beloved Prophet, glorify with the name of your Lord the Supreme.
فلا أقسم بمواقع النجوم
So I swear by the setting places of the stars.
وإنه لقسم لو تعلمون عظيم
And this is certainly a great oath if you understand.
إنه لقرآن كريم
Indeed, this is the glorious Quran.
في كتاب مكنون
In a concealed book.
لا يمسه إلا المطهرون
None touch it except the pure.
تنزيل من رب العالمين
A revelation from the Lord of all the worlds.
أفبهذا الحديث أنتم مدهنون
So are you trivializing this matter?
وتجعلون رزقكم أنكم تكذبون
And you make your share this that you deny?
فلولا إذا بلغت الحلقوم
Then why not? When it, i.e., the soul reaches the throat,
وأنتم حينئذ تنظرون
while you will be watching,
ونحن أقرب إليه منكم ولكن لا تبصرون
and we are closer to him than you, but you do not see.
فلولا إن كنتم غير مدينين
If you will not be recompensed, why do you not
ترجعونها إن كنتم صادقين
return it, the soul, if you are truthful?
فأما إن كان من المقربين
So if he is among those who are granted nearness,
فروح وريحان وجنة نعيم
then there is comfort and fragrant flowers in a garden of bounties.
وأما إن كان من أصحاب اليمين
And if he is from the people of the right,
فسلام لك من أصحاب اليمين
then, dear beloved Prophet, salam for you from the people of the right.
وأما إن كان من المكذبين الضالين
And if he is among the deniers, the misguided people,
فنزل من حميم
then the hospitality of boiling water,
وتصلية جحيم
and being cast into the blazing fire.
إن هذا لهو حق اليقين
Indeed, this is an absolute certainty.
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم
So, O beloved Prophet, glorify with the name of your Lord the Supreme. Surah Al-Hadid, Ayan. This surah is Medinan, containing 4 sections and 29 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
سبح لله ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
All that is in the heavens and the earth glorifies Allah, and He is the most exalted, the most wise.
له ملك السماوات والأرض يحيي ويميت وهو على كل شيء قدير.
To Him belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth. He gives life and causes death, and He has power over everything.
هو الأول والآخر والظاهر والباطن وهو بكل شيء عليم.
He is the first, the last, the apparent and the hidden, and He knows everything.
هو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش يعلم ما يلج في الأرض وما يخرج منها وما ينزل من السماء وما يعرج فيها وهو معكم أينما كنتم والله بما تعملون بصير.
It is He who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days. Then He performed istawah upon the throne as befits His greatness. He knows all that enters the earth and all that comes from it, and all that descends from the sky and all that ascends therein. He is with you wherever you are, and Allah sees all that you do.
له ملك السماوات والأرض وإلى الله ترجع الأمور.
To Him belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and all matters are returned to Allah alone.
يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وهو عليم بذات الصدور.
He merges the night into the day and merges the day into the night, and He knows the matters of the heart.
آمنوا بالله ورسوله وأنفقوا مما جعلكم مستخلفين فيه فالذين آمنوا منكم وأنفقوا لهم أجر كبير.
Believe in Allah and His Messenger and spend in the way of Allah from that wealth in which He has made you inheritors. As for those from you who believed and spent in His way, there is great reward for them.
وما لكم لا تؤمنون بالله والرسول يدعوكم لتؤمنوا بربكم وقد أخذ ميثاقكم إن كنتم مؤمنين.
And what is the matter with you, that you do not believe in Allah while the Messenger calls you to believe in your Lord? And Allah has already taken a pledge from you if you believe.
هو الذي ينزل على عبده آيات بينات ليخرجكم من الظلمات إلى النور وإن الله بكم لرؤوف رحيم.
It is He who reveals clear verses to His chosen one that He may bring you out of darkness towards the light. Allah is most compassionate, most merciful to you.
وما لكم ألا تنفقوا في سبيل الله ولله ميراث السماوات والأرض لا يستوي منكم من أنفق من قبل الفتح وقاتل أولئك أعظم درجة من الذين أنفقوا من بعد وقاتلوا وكلا وعد الله الحسنى والله بما تعملون خبير.
What is the matter with you, that you do not spend in the way of Allah, even though the inheritance of the heavens and the earth belongs to Allah? Those among you who spent before the victory and fought are not equal. They are greater in rank than those who spent and fought afterwards. Allah has promised them all the most beautiful reward, i.e. paradise, and Allah is aware of all that you do.
من ذا الذي يقرض الله قرضا حسنا فيضاعفه له وله أجر كريم.
Who is he that will give a good loan to Allah, so that he may multiply it for him, and there is a noble reward for him?
يوم ترى المؤمنين والمؤمنات يسعى نورهم بين أيديهم وبأيمانهم بشراكم اليوم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها ذلك هو الفوز العظيم.
The day you will see the believing men and the believing women, that their light will emanate in front of them and to their right. And it will be said, glad tidings for you this day, gardens beneath which rivers are flowing. You will reside therein forever. That is supreme success.
يوم يقول المنافقون والمنافقات للذين آمنوا انظرونا نقتبس من نوركم قيل ارجعوا وراءكم فالتمسوا نورا فضرب بينهم بسور له باب باطنه فيه الرحمة وظاهره من قبله العذاب.
The day the hypocrites, men and women, will say to the believers, look at us, that we may attain from your light. It will be said, turn back and seek a light. Then a wall will be placed between them, which will have a gate. Its interior will have mercy, and it will have punishment towards its exterior.
ينادونهم ألم نكن معكم قالوا بلى ولكنكم فتنتم أنفسكم وتربصتم وارتبتم وغرتكم الأماني حتى جاء أمر الله وغركم بالله الغرور.
They will call out to them, were we not with you? They will say, of course. However, you caused yourselves to fall into temptation, and you remained waiting for the loss of the Muslims, and you were in doubt, and false desires deceived you until the decree of Allah came to pass, and the arch deceiver Satan deceived you regarding Allah.
فاليوم لا يؤخذ منكم فدية ولا من الذين كفروا مأواكم النار هي مولاكم وبئس المصير.
So this day a ransom will not be taken from you, nor from those who disbelieved. Your abode is the fire, it is your companion, and what an evil abode it is.
ألم يأن للذين آمنوا أن تخشع قلوبهم لذكر الله وما نزل من الحق ولا يكونوا كالذين أوتوا الكتاب من قبل فطال عليهم الأمد فقست قلوبهم وكثير منهم فاسقون.
Has the time not come for those who believe that their hearts submit to the remembrance of Allah and the truth which was sent down? They should not be like those who were given the book previously. Then a prolonged term passed upon them, so their hearts became hard, and many of them are evildoers.
اعلموا أن الله يحيي الأرض بعد موتها قد بينا لكم الآيات لعلكم تعقلون.
Know that Allah gives life to the earth after its death. We have indeed made the signs clear for you that you may understand.
إن المصدقين والمصدقات وأقرضوا الله قرضا حسنا يضاعف لهم ولهم أجر كريم.
Indeed, the charitable men and the charitable women and those who gave Allah a good loan, it will be multiplied for them, and there is a noble reward for them.
والذين آمنوا بالله ورسله أولئك هم الصديقون والشهداء عند ربهم لهم أجرهم ونورهم والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب الجحيم.
And those who believe in Allah and all His messengers, they are the exceptionally truthful and are witnesses in the court of their Lord. They have their reward and their light. And those who disbelieved and denied our verses, they are people of hell.
اعلموا أنما الحياة الدنيا لعب ولهو وزينة وتفاخر بينكم وتكاثر في الأموال والأولاد كمثل غيث أعجب الكفار نباته ثم يهيج فتراه مصفرا ثم يكون حطاما وفي الآخرة عذاب شديد ومغفرة من الله ورضوان وما الحياة الدنيا إلا متاع الغرور.
Know that the life of this world is merely play and amusement, and adornment and mutual arrogance among you, and the desire of exceeding each other with more wealth and children, like the rain whose crop pleased the farmers. Then it withers, so you see it turn yellow. Then it becomes fragments of straw, and there is severe punishment in the hereafter, and also forgiveness and divine acceptance. And the life of this world is but a provision of deceit.
سابقوا إلى مغفرة من ربكم وجنة عرضها كعرض السماء والأرض أعدت للذين آمنوا بالله ورسله ذلك فضل الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
Surpass one another towards the forgiveness of your Lord and paradise, the width of which is like the vastness of the sky and the earth. It has been prepared for those who believe in Allah and His messengers. That is the grace of Allah. He grants it to whomsoever He wills, and Allah is the possessor of supreme grace.
ما أصاب من مصيبة في الأرض ولا في أنفسكم إلا في كتاب من قبل أن نبرأها إن ذلك على الله يسير.
No calamity strikes in the earth or in your lives except it is in a book before we bring it into existence. Indeed, this is easy for Allah.
لكي لا تأسوا على ما فاتكم ولا تفرحوا بما آتاكم والله لا يحب كل مختال فخور.
That you do not grieve for what you have lost, and you do not boast with what He has granted you. Allah does not like every arrogant, conceited individual.
الذين يبخلون ويأمرون الناس بالبخل ومن يتول فإن الله هو الغني الحميد.
Those who are miserly and urge people to be miserly, and whosoever turns away, then indeed Allah is the infinitely independent, the most praiseworthy.
لقد أرسلنا رسلنا بالبينات وأنزلنا معهم الكتاب والميزان ليقوم الناس بالقسط وأنزلنا الحديد فيه بأس شديد ومنافع للناس وليعلم الله من ينصره ورسله بالغيب إن الله قوي عزيز.
Indeed, we have sent our messengers with clear proofs, and we sent down with them the book and the scales, that people would stand with justice. And we sent down iron in which there is extreme strength and benefit for people, that Allah may see who helps the religion of Allah and helps His messengers without seeing. Certainly Allah is all-powerful, predominant.
ولقد أرسلنا نوحا وإبراهيم وجعلنا في ذريتهما النبوة والكتاب فمنهم مهتد وكثير منهم فاسقون.
Indeed, we sent Nuh and Ibrahim, and we placed within their progeny prophethood and the book, so some of them are rightly guided and many of them are transgressors.
ثم قفينا على آثارهم برسلنا وقفينا بعيسى ابن مريم وآتيناه الإنجيل وجعلنا في قلوب الذين اتبعوه رأفة ورحمة ورهبانية ابتدعوها ما كتبناها عليهم إلا ابتغاء رضوان الله فآتينا الذين آمنوا منهم أجرهم وكثير منهم فاسقون.
Then we sent our messengers after them in their footsteps, and we sent Isa son of Maryam, and we granted him the Injil, gospel, and we placed compassion and mercy in the hearts of those who followed him. And monastic asceticism, they invented it. We did not make it incumbent upon them. However, they only invented it seeking Allah's acceptance. Then they did not observe it with the right of its observance. So we granted the believers among them their reward, and many of them are disobedient.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وآمنوا برسوله يؤتكم كفلين من رحمته ويجعل لكم نورا يؤتكم كفلين من رحمته ويجعل لكم نورا تمشون به ويغفر لكم والله غفور رحيم.
O you who believe, fear Allah and believe in His Messenger. He will grant you two parts of His mercy, and He will create a light for you through which you will walk, and He will forgive you, and Allah is most forgiving, the most merciful.
لئلا يعلم أهل الكتاب ألا يقدرون على شيء من فضل الله وأن الفضل بيد الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
So that the people of the book come to know that they have no power over anything from the grace of Allah, and that all grace is in the power of Allah. He grants it to whomsoever He wills, and Allah is the possessor of supreme grace.